Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video, I would like to talk about the new Mahindra XUV 700 flagship SUV, which is expected to be launched on the 15th of August. After the leaked images which appeared online last week, a new sneak peek video of the exterior design of this new flagship SUV has appeared online today. The model spotted seems to be the top spec variant in a bright red color similar to that seen on the XUV 300. When compared to the leaked images, which are obviously distorted, this video gives us a clear idea of the proportions, road presence and the design elements to be expected on this new flagship SUV. Mahindra has also released a teaser video of this new XUV 700 which showcases the LED headlamps and the LED tail lamps. These headlamps and tail lamps of the XUV 700 will be very unique, and as seen on the spy video, they look really good, giving a unique appeal to the XUV 700. The XUV 700 will also feature a brand new signature Mahindra grille, which will be much larger than before. And yes, the Mahindra XUV 700 will be the first model to feature the brand new Mahindra logo. Now let's talk about the highlight features to be available on the brand new XUV 700. Recently, Mahindra themselves have started releasing teaser videos of their new flagship SUV, giving some glimpses of the new advanced features to be available on the XUV 700. The first highlighted feature are the auto booster headlamps. Being a premium SUV, the XUV 700 is likely to get all LED headlamps and fog lamps, along with LED DRLs, at least on the top spec variants. These top spec variants will also get automatic high beam headlamp assist, also known as the auto booster headlamps, which increases the illumination by 1.6 times automatically once the XUV 700 crosses 80 km per hour while going through darker areas. This feature is also expected to reduce the illumination once the sensors detect better lighting conditions, thus improving safety for the XUV 700 driver and other road users alike. The second video released by Mahindra showcases the large panoramic sunroof to be available on the XUV 700. The video claims that the Mahindra XUV 700 provides the largest sunroof in its category, and the video claims that this large panoramic sunroof provides a convertible-like experience. For this massive panoramic sunroof, Mahindra has also patented the name Skyroof. Another highlight feature showcased in the latest teaser includes personalized safety alerts. Instead of the standard overspeed warning in the form of beeping sounds, the Mahindra XUV 700 will offer personalized options for customizing these safety warnings, which will replace these warning beeps with the voice of a beloved family member. This feature may find an emotional connection with XUV 700 buyers and could also make them drive safer. Apart from these highlighted features, the new Mahindra XUV 700 will also offer other segment-besting features, such as a massive single-screen display for the instrument cluster and the touchscreen system, offering 360-degree surround view camera, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with the premium surround sound audio system featuring roof-mounted speakers and a subwoofer mounted in the boot. The XUV 700 will also offer flush-fitting exterior door handles, which pop out when the SUV is unlocked. The top spec variants will get full leather upholstery, while the second and third rows will get the standard split folding, sliding and reclining functions. The new XUV 700 will also offer dual-zone automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charging, a power driver seat with triple memory function, and 18-inch alloy wheels on the top spec variants. Along with these features, the new XUV 700 will also get driver drowsiness detection, which nudges the driver to stay awake if the car detects that the driver is drowsy. And then the new XUV 700 will also get a smart air filter, which is basically a more advanced air purifier. It is also likely that the new XUV 700 will also offer advanced driver assist systems, including semi-autonomous safety features such as automatic parking assist, lane keep assist, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Apart from the features and interior upgrades, the biggest talking point of the XUV 700 will be the engine options. This new Mahindra's flagship SUV will come with the very same 2-liter M Stallion 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine seen on the Mahindra Thar. However, on the XUV 700, this engine is likely to produce 200 PS of maximum power. Similarly, while the 2.2-liter M-Hawk 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine will be carried forward to the XUV 700 as well, this turbo diesel engine will produce 185 PS of maximum power, making it the most powerful midsize SUV, while also being more powerful than the Ford Endeavour. Similar to the Mahindra Thar, both engines will be mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed Aisin-sourced torque converter automatic gearbox. Both engine options will also get multiple drive modes, with the top spec variants also having the option of all-wheel drive. Apart from the whole host of safety features that will be available as standard, the top spec variants will also offer 6 airbags and an electronic parking brake with auto hold function. This new XUV 700 is likely to be positioned above the current XUV 500, making it a more premium SUV compared to its competitors. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the Mahindra XUV 700 flagship SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.